Hi, Ellie. Hi. Can you give some smiles? You've been giving them, huh? Oh, are you kicking? Kick, kick, kick. Hey, beautiful. Yeah? Hi. I am taking pictures of Ellie. Should I take pictures of Caroline? Oh, where's your smiles? Where's your smiles? Boop. Boop. Yeah. Hey. Hi there. Kick, kick, kick. I'm gonna go say hi to your sister. Hi, sister. What you doing?
I eat toast.
You're eating toast. Is that your last bite?
Open.
All done. Thank you. Oh, no, I'll get it. Thank you.
Sausage.
Huh?
Pancake.
Can you show me how you do patty cake?
Mommy.
Your hair's a mess. Can you do patty cake?
Pancake. And let's
Hey, who's gonna have a birthday?
try
You are? How old will you be?
two.
Here, take your hands out of your mouth. I can't hear you. Tell me again.
I'll be two.
You be 2? And when is your birthday? September 26th. That's right. And can you say your whole name? Caroline. Caroline? Harper Johnston. Can you say that?
Happy tie
Harper Caroline Johnston? Okay. I better go check on Ellie. Hey, what's this ring on your face? Did you put your face on the Nutella jar? Yeah. I better check on Ellie. I'm coming, Ellie. I'm coming.